there are currently 2.5 million active subscriptions on the AWS Marketplace. And in the past 2 years, the number of active customers in the AWS Marketplace has increased by 287%. Our mission is to make this your preferred route to market so you can capitalize on the opportunity to access hundreds of thousands of active marketplace customers, to add to the product inventory across 70 categories, and total more than 15,000 transactable listings. And we're here not only to provide you with the very best marketplace, but the most attractive incentives in the industry to sell your software and services. And as part of this value proposition, we are lowering our pricing. Effective January 2024, AWS Marketplace is lowering its listing fee for public SaaS and data subscriptions to 3%. For partners transacting through private offers, we've created a more simple, flat-tiered model. For private offers under $1 million, there will be a 3% fee. For offers between $1 million and $10 million, it's a 2% fee. And greater than $10 million, 1.5% fee. And for renewals, to promote customer retention, it will be 1.5%. A new Forrester study found that channel partners who build and scale an AWS Marketplace practice can realize 234% return on investment, 50% faster deal closure, and 4 to 5 times richer deal sizes. Those are significant numbers, and they will help you reach new possibilities because they help you reach more and more customers. We're focused on creating value for you so that we can co-create value for our customers. Customers value partner specializations. New Canalys research shows that 83% of customers polled rank AWS specializations as the top 3 selection criteria for our partners, with 74% of customers who review their partners' vendor certifications at least 2 times a year to verify that they're continuing to upskill in high-demand domains. This is the value to customers that drives our investment in specialization partners. AWS now offers more than 100 unique partner specializations to help customers find the right partner. It's no surprise that Forrester named AWS a leader in SaaS marketplaces in Q4 of this year. It's definitely a door opener for some exceptional firsts. Just last month, CrowdStrike became the first cybersecurity ISV founded in the cloud to exceed $1 billion of software sales through the AWS Marketplace. They joined 3 other ISVs, Snowflake, Palo Alto Networks, and Splunk in this significant milestone. Take Drata, a startup who delivers a leading compliance automation service. They leaned in heavily into the AWS Marketplace, and in just over a year, engaged AWS on more than 6,000 co-sell opportunities and won more than 1,000 AWS Marketplace private offers. This is a board-level priority for them. And take MongoDB, whose self-service via the AWS Marketplace business has become a strategic channel. Over the past 18 months, their self-service business via the AWS Marketplace has seen an exponential growth rate of more than 5 times. Listing on the Marketplace provides you with an opportunity for your customers to discover your product, test it with SaaS-free trials, deploy it with a public subscription, and expand their commitment through an AWS Marketplace private offer. It's the simplicity of this experience that brings customers back. Part of the process is making it easier for our customers to discover and deploy third-party software. AWS Marketplace is now integrated into 13 AWS Service Consoles today. The goal is to make your selling experience consistent and easy to access from one place. And our feature velocity continues to increase. This year, we launched more than 30 new features, doubling the amount that we launched last year, and it will continue to address our partner and customer experience. We consistently hear from our customers that they want an easier way to access SaaS solutions. Today, this presents challenges in configuring and launching when there's a lack of integration with cloud service providers. Which is why I'm really excited to launch the AWS Marketplace SaaS Quick Launch. Customers can now quickly configure, deploy, and launch AWS on AWS through CloudFormation templates that are defined and validated by both the ISV, the software vendor, and AWS with the latest AWS security standards. We also want the AWS Marketplace to serve customers where they are. But until now, access to the AWS Marketplace was provided inside the walls of AWS. So customers on your site would be sent back to AWS to complete their purchase. And that's why I'm excited to launch the new AWS Marketplace APIs for sellers generally available today. This enables AWS Marketplace access within your current applications, so customers don't have to leave your domains to make purchases. Now's your chance to imagine the possibilities of scaling your business with the AWS Marketplace. We will continue to evolve, and you expect to see more and more launches to grow your business on the AWS Marketplace. And we're going to improve your experience on Partner Central.
We partnered with Salesforce to transform the AWS partner experience by reimagining how AWS partners engage with AWS to build, market, sell, and grow with us. Today, I'm really excited and proud to announce that AWS is relaunching its CRM connector for the Salesforce App Exchange. It allows you to both manage your marketplace private offers and your ACE opportunities within a single unified Salesforce app available today on the Salesforce App Exchange. So finally, let's talk about analytics and data insights that are available for partners. With Partner Analytics in the new Partner Central, you can receive data-driven recommendations across both APN and the AWS Marketplace so you can grow your business. This includes never-before-shared insights like the Marketplace Customer Engagement Score, so you can help your customers realize the benefits of procuring via AWS Marketplace at scale.
Partner ecosystem has been an absolutely fundamental plank of the AWS strategy, literally since day one. That is completely unchanged. And we're investing more resources now, not fewer, in terms of people, in terms of actually dollars we spend, go to market, support that type of thing. So the investment is only increasing. And we also spend a lot of time at all levels of our organization. I mean, there's so many places where we are going in as one team with technology providers, with SIs and consultants, and it's just really become a part of the fabric of how we go to market in so many different places, so many different customers around the world. So it just continues to be absolutely fundamental.
What is your advice for partners who want to do more business with AWS?
Focus on our joint end customers. That is what it's all about. If you want to predict what's going to guide our behavior, it's going to be our best understanding of what our end customers want, and that's who we're all here to serve together jointly. And so just having the same maniacal focus that we try and have every day on our end customers is the first thing. Second thing, which has also been consistent throughout the years, is proficiency. Be skilled. Bring super competent people that just blow customers away. Nothing builds trust faster than wow, those partners that came in with AWS were just amazing. And the flip side is that trust is very instantly eroded by somebody who generates the opposite perception at a customer. And it's kind of hard to get back. So invest in training, invest in certifications, invest in competencies, and they really do pay off. So I think those things are really key. And then really focus on putting the resources in place to partner with us, to go to market with us. We talked to a ton of partners who've got a lot of dedicated resources, centers of excellence, practices around AWS. Technical folks who are dedicated to doing technical integration with AWS. And then there are some who are like, hey, we want to do more with you. And we're like, okay, great. Who are the dedicated people? It's like, well, it's 1/10 of Mary's time and 5% of Bob's time, that type of thing. And devoting the resources, because to go to market, I'm never going to say it's easy. We've got a ton of things available. We've got tons of programs. We have funding. We've gotten a lot better at it through the years. Never perfect, but a lot better at it. And we can really partner together well. The marketplace is obviously a big important place where that happens now. But it really takes sort of a focus and an anchor on both sides.